DRDO and Indian Navy have successfully undertaken combat firing of indigenously designed and developed multi-influence ground mine. The MIGM is designed to enhance Indian Navy's capabilities against modern stealth ships and submarines. Pakistan has successfully conducted training launch of its Abdali weapon system, boasting an extended range of 450 kilometers amid tension spike between India and Pakistan. The launch aimed to assess the technical parameters of the Abdali system, including an enhanced navigation suite and advanced maneuverability. China has unveiled new prototype system designed to counter low-flying drones, cruise missiles and hypersonic anti-ship weapons. This prototype features 16 tightly grouped 35mm barrels capable of firing unique munitions at an extraordinary combined rate of up to 400,000 rounds per minute. Russian tank manufacturer Uralvagonzavod has announced dispatch of fresh consignment of T-72B3M and T-90M main battle tanks incorporating approximately 200 design changes to enhance firepower, protection and mobility. These upgrades include electronic warfare systems, anti-drone netting and rubber-reinforced armor shielding.